Welcome to another episode here at Trusted Auto Repair. Today we're working on a 2018 Honda Pilot. We're changing the cabin air filter. Alright, so go inside here. All we have to do is open the glove box, move anything inside, push on both sides like this, and you'll see the cap for the cabin air filter. Two little tabs on the side, just pull them, and the whole thing comes out. You can see how dirty this was. Very unhealthy to breathe all that. So we want to change this, and the airflow should be pointed down. So as long as the airflow is pointed down, you are in good shape. Make sure it clears. And just put it back in slowly. Put your hand nice and light. Wait for the click. You get a click, and then you push back in here. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.